जो लोग जरा तेज हों, लड़के या लड़कियां, उनको और अच्छी पढ़ाई का मौका मिले, ऊंचे से ऊंचे पढ़ाई का, आजकल के विज्ञान की पढ़ाई का, आजकल की टेक्नोलॉजी की पढ़ाई का, आपके यहाँ भी उसका काफी प्रबंध है। ये करना है क्योंकि आजकल की दुनिया विज्ञान की है।
'64 was the year when we became a university by an act of parliament. Prior to that, we were colleges in Pilani, and these colleges were amalgamated into a university known as Birla Institute of Technology and Science. We were given the status of a deemed to be a university, which meant that we could give our own degrees, we can decide on our own curriculum, we could have methods leading to innovations in higher education system of the country.
The success of BITS is today due to the high quality students that we get, and also due to the qualified and dedicated faculty that we have. Expanding into new campuses, introducing new degree programs, moving into high-end research along with the industries, these are the new challenges that we face. BITS believes in converting every challenge into newer opportunities. And I am sure we are marching ahead to become one of the best universities in the world.
Our admissions to all the integrated first degree programs is done through a test called BITS admission test, BITSAT. Unlike most of the traditional universities, our test is a computer-based online test. Purely based on merit, the admission is made.
When I first enrolled here to fuel my love for biology, little did I know that I, along with the other students of sciences, would have the unique opportunity to be able to pass out with an engineering degree. In an academic arena, when there is so much of focus on interdisciplinary studies, I hence find it a great asset to be qualified to explore the worlds of, say, bioinformatics or bioengineering. All of us enrolled here pursue common courses for our first 2 years, giving us a broad base and that essential exposure required to subjects beyond our field of specialization. In this background, the Institute offers a chance to students to be transferred to other disciplines or even higher degrees based on his or her merit.
Practice School is one of the most important of the many significant innovations that have been carried out at BITS Pilani over the last 4 decades or so. It is an educational process which is integral to the academic curriculum, under which students spend time in industry, working in multidisciplinary teams on live projects under the guidance of experts from the industry and under the supervision of our faculty.
Now, an inimitable feature of our academic setup is the opportunity to opt for electives ranging from the emerging fields of scientific focus to the facets of finance and even the humanities. Also, one can explore the interesting prospect of doing various projects, all at an undergraduate level.
Balancing academics and extracurricular activities is something that comes naturally to every BITSian. This prepares us for the outer world and is responsible for the large number of successful businessmen and entrepreneurs.
If you are interested in any of the performing arts like drama, music, dance, mime, you're sure to find the perfect place over here.